If you are looking for a totally natural way to increase your libido and relieve menopause symptoms, you are in the right video. In today's review, we at The Best For You set aside all the information you need to know before purchasing Provestra. In the United States, the average age for a woman to reach menopause is only 51 years. However, an even more curious fact is that from the early 30s, a woman can begin to feel the symptoms of menopause. It's terrible, isn't it? The loss of sexual desire. A decrease in vaginal lubrication. The uncomfortable sexes. The terrible waves of heat and night sweat. In addition to the constant bad mood, some of them are factors that make women suffer for years. The most serious and sad thing is that the number of menopausal symptoms can exceed 50 different and terrible symptoms. But there is already a solution to all these problems today. Provestra is a 100% natural way to help increase your libido and relieve menopause symptoms. As you may know, menopause symptoms occur when your hormone levels fluctuate and decrease. This is why Provestra is formulated with 18 ingredients that help regulate the production of hormones. The formula is 100% natural. Provestra is the female libido enhancer rated number 1. It has no harmful chemicals in its composition, so it has no reported side effects. He's MSG-free, and he doesn't require a prescription. Provestra should be taken daily, and can increase your libido within 7 days of continuous use, in addition to being a key support for the effects of menopause. With Provestra, you can reduce heat waves, improve your sleep, and really regain your sanity. Provestra helps you deal with the ups and downs of menopause. As you may know, there are 3 stages of menopause. These include perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. Perimenopause is when your hormones start to change, preparing your body for menopause. Menopause is a point in time that happens 12 months after your last period. When menopause occurs, your ovaries no longer release eggs, your periods cease, and pregnancy is in your rear view. But during perimenopause, you can still get pregnant, while experiencing the common symptoms of irregular periods, erratic mood swings, migraines, fatigue, incontinence, urinary incontinence, loss of sexual desire, short-term memory problems, among so many others. But the good news is, with the continued use of Provestra, all that can change. Many Provestra customers claim to feel the difference in just 7 days. And best of all, you can try the Provestra risk-free. You won't have to risk a dime. This is because Provestra is backed by a 100% money-back and satisfaction guarantee. If you don't see this whole transformation in your life, they have a 67-day guarantee. Although the product's satisfaction is 100%, it is good that you have this information. With Provestra, you can live without so many unwanted symptoms. You can enjoy great sex, sleep like a baby, and still feel good all day. It is worth remembering that the purchase of Provestra should be made only online on the official website of the product. To help you buy correctly, we leave the official product link below in the description. We hope you enjoy a more joyful life in all respects. Feel free to leave your feedback on Provestra here below in the comments. We hope to have helped you understand Provestra better. Until the next video. Bye.